We'll highlight them all to choose that yellow color, and then we can drag them back into the callout block, and that gives us our nicely formatted numbered list. Now, there's another way of doing this. Rather than creating the callout and creating the independent blocks to go inside of it, we can just start with a child page of this container page. So we'll create a page, and then as the title for the page, we can use the top line of the callout. Then within the body of the page, we can include the blocks that we're going to want to include within the callout, in this case, our numbered list. So if we go back to the template and scroll down to that child page, we can then convert the child page to a callout block, and that's going to give the title as the top line, and then include all of those individual blocks that we created within the page. So we can choose our nice yellow color here. And now this callout block is a direct reflection of this callout block. So one other consideration that you might make when using blocks within callouts is toggles. So instead of having your entire callout visible, if you have multiple items or multiple kind of sections within your callout that you want to include, you can use a toggle block to fold up some of those items so that you're never viewing everything at a single time. So if we just type section 1 here, for example, we can highlight the numbered list and drag them into the toggle so that the user could then expand the toggle to see that particular section of content. So we might have a few different sections here, and we can make them all yellow as well. And then one other consideration is that you might want to wrap your callout block in a synced block. And that way, anytime you want to make an update to these instructions, you can do so in any instance of that synced block, and the change will be reflected in every other instance of the synced block, whether it's right here in this template or within a project that you've already created.